Hello students, your today's topic is computer memory. What is computer memory? Basically computer memory is an area where computer store some type of data or data. Data like any informations, files, text, videos, pictures, images, icons, anything else. Okay, so computer memory is a storage area or a storage space where we store or where CPU store any types of data or files. The storage of a computer is called its memory. When we enter data into computer, it is converted into binary digits. Binary digits in the sense 0 or 1, okay, and then stored. Bit is a short form of binary digit, means 0 means 1 bit, 1 means 1 bit. So overall there are 2 bits, okay. And the second definition of computer memory is memory refers to a device that is used to store information or immediate use in a computer or related computer hardware device. Now, second term is units of computer memory in the sense measurement of computer memory. As we know that anything we can measure in many types of measurements like centimeter, inches, kilograms, grams, okay, kilometers, meters, and so on. So computer data is also we measure in bits and bytes, okay. So there is a table that we show that each type of bits and their equivalent bytes or kilobytes are shown. 8 bits is equals 1 byte, 1024 bytes is equals 1 kilobyte or kb, 1024 kb or kilobyte is equals 1 megabyte or mb. 1024 mb is equals 1 gigabyte or GB. 1024 gigabyte is equals 1 terabyte or TB. 1024 TB is equals 1 petabyte or PB. Okay. Now 1024 PB is equals 1 exabyte or EB, and last one is 1024 EB is equals 1 zettabyte or ZB. Okay, so this is the all type of units, or you can also say that it is a measurement table that we know in computer systems. Now next thing is computer memory. There are two types of computer memory we can use or we can study. First primary and second one is secondary. So basically primary and secondary memory is majorly two types of basically two types of division of computer memory. Okay, so primary memory, it's also divided in two parts, RAM and ROM. RAM also two parts, SRAM and DRAM. And ROM, there are also two parts, PROM, EPROM, and third one is EEPROM. PROM, EPROM, and EEPROM. Okay, and secondary memory, it's also divided in five parts: HDD, SDD, compact disk, floppy disk, magnet tape. Okay, HDD in the sense hard disk drive, and SSD is, it stands for solid storage drive. Compact disk, okay, means CD, floppy disk, and magnetic tape. So earlier primary memory is divided in two parts, RAM and ROM memory, RAM memory and ROM memory. RAM in the sense random access memory. There is a full form of RAM is random access memory, and ROM's full form is read only memory. ROM is also known as non-volatile memory. So RAM is also divided in two parts, SRAM in the sense static RAM and DRAM in the sense dynamic RAM. And ROM is divided into three parts, PROM means programmable ROM, EPROM erasable programmable ROM, and EEPROM electrically erasable programmable ROM. Now, first we talk about primary memory. Basically, what is primary memory? Primary memory is a computer memory that a processor or computer access first or directly. It allows processors to access running execution, applications and services that are temporarily stored in a specific memory locations. Primary memory is also known as primary storage or main memory. So basically primary memory is also known as main memory of your computer system. Okay, this type of memory is firstly used by CPU. CPU is a processor device or processor unit which is used primary memory. Now, type of primary memory is RAM, random access memory, means RAM is used for randomly access. Okay, so RAM or random access memory temporarily store data while a computer is running. RAM is volatile memory, means store data erased when the power is turned off. Therefore, each time when start our computer, the operating system loaded from secondary memory such as hard drive into the primary memory like RAM. Whenever we open an application on computer, it is loaded into RAM, means any application which we open first, this application open in RAM. Okay, RAM can be accessed much faster than other storage devices, means RAM memory speed is very fast than other memory devices. Now, types of RAM. There are two types of RAM. First, SRAM, means static random access memory, and second one is DRAM, dynamic random access memory. Now, what is SRAM? SRAM in the sense static random access memory use a completely different technology. In the sense, SRAM retains stored information only as long as the power supply is on. Static RAMs are costlier and consume more power. They have higher speed than DRAM. Okay. Now, second thing is DRAM, means dynamic random access memory. Loses its store information in a very short time for millisecond, okay, or microsecond. Even when power supply is on, DRAMs are cheaper than lower. Next thing is ROM, read-only memory. Read-only memory is a storage medium that is used with computers and other electronic devices. As the name indicates, data stored in ROM may only be read, means only we can read such type of data which are stored in ROM. It is either modified with extreme difficulty or not at all. ROM is mostly used for firmware. Basically, firmware is a program which are stored in BIOS ROM. Okay, a simple example of ROM is the cartridge used with video game, which allow one system to run multiple games. Another example of ROM is computer BIOS. BIOS in the sense basic input and output system.